I am so grateful for all that I have.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique Macrin. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for your continued support. So today I want to show you how to make a very healthy do you call it a snack? But it's something that you can add to most of your snacks. Yeah. So I want us to make peanut butter. All right, so I'm not a foodie, but like right now I just have to eat a lot because I'm breastfeeding, you know. I have to keep up with milk production, yet I don't enjoy a lot of food. So it's kind of hard for me to take like more than 3 meals in a day. I'm okay with taking the cocoa, the water. That one is fine by me, but I'm trying and I don't like it. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to be making some smoothies, something like protein shakes. So in my smoothies, I will be adding peanut butter. Okay, so we are going to make it from scratch because I mean, with this economy, we also need to save some coins, right? So let's get into it. So I'm in the kitchen now, and I had already sorted the peanuts because I hadn't decided that I was going to shoot this video. And then I thought, why not share? Because even me, myself, I didn't know how to make peanut butter until someone taught me. So maybe there's someone out there who would love to know how to make it. Saves you a lot of coins. So I bought the peanuts. I guess it was one. I didn't buy it this time round. I sent someone. I know saizi kuna inflation, so I'm not very sure of the current cost, but it's usually around 100 shillings for 1 kg. And you know how much peanut butter costs. Yep. So the peanuts are in the oven. Let me show you. And I've put 180 degrees temperature for the 180 degrees Celsius for the temperature, and then I'm going to let the peanuts cook for 30 minutes. All right, let's check. Kind of done, and I don't want them to burn. So these are peanuts. I don't know why they look well. Seems like I have overcooked. Now this is where the work is. Yeah, this is where the work is. So you see, then it makes a lot of sense if you make a lot of peanut, because this work, it's labor intensive. Yeah, so you don't want to spend a whole 30 minutes and then just make what, like 50 meals, like 50 grams of peanuts. So it makes sense if you make like a whole liter or 2 liters of peanuts so that you can use for a whole month. Otherwise it won't be worth the money at the time. But you know, another thing, apart from saving the cost, you actually get to control the ingredients that go into your peanuts, because you won't put any preservatives. I'm only going to put the peanuts and olive oil. That's it, nothing else. I've done making my peanut butter and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So the first blender that I was using is not very strong here, so I had to switch to this other blender. Let me show you. So my table is messy, so this is the one that I was using. It's not very strong, so I had to switch to this other one. Yeah, so finally we made it. And then there's one thing I've noticed. Okay, you know, I'm trying I'm shooting myself. Yep, so that is our peanut there, and that is the consistency. I like it, but as you can see, it's quite dark. So if you want it to be more lighter, then that means you won't wait for your peanuts to cook kabisa. You know, you don't want the peanuts to get this brownish color. You want them to be still whitish. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to store this peanut inside the my storage container. Yeah, so there goes our peanut. So as I told you, if you want it to be lighter, don't wait for the peanuts to overcook. Don't wait for them to turn the golden brown color. Otherwise, this is the peanut that you're going to get. But myself, I'm still okay with it. Yeah, so if you want it to be lighter, then that means you have to remove the peanuts from the oven before they turn brown. Yep, so I'm going to be using this one to apply on bread. We don't take bread that much, but well, for the days that we do. I'm also going to use this one for making my sauces and also for making my smoothies.